guys, it's Bree. Welcome to my channel. Today I'm going to be doing another of my random roundup videos. I think I'm going to turn this into a series on my channel. I love the idea of going through using random products, retesting them out, retrying them. If I don't like them, get rid of them, give them away, throw them away. I love the idea of going through and making sure that all the products that are in my vanity are products that I like. If you like this video and like this idea, make sure to give this video a thumbs up so that I know. Don't forget to subscribe and turn on the post notification bell so you don't miss any new videos. And if you want to get ready with me in this random roundup, just keep watching. So today I just picked up some random stuff. A lot of these, I don't think there's anything new except for the highlighter. Everything else I've had for quite a while. So for primers today, I'm going to go in with the Smashbox Photo Finish Primer Water, which I have not used in months, and I used to love this. And then the Urban Decay Optical Illusion Complexion Primer. The mist on that is so fine that I almost can't tell if it got my face or not. So I sprayed that to give my skin a little more hydration, and then I go in with a pore filler primer, which this Urban Decay one is, for me, it's just the best. It works the best. It fills my pores better than the Tatcha one does. The Tatcha one targets other things as well, but when I'm specifically wanting to fill my pores, this is the primer that I use. For foundation today, I'm going to go in with the Makeup Revolution Conceal and Define Foundation. I have not used this. I think I bought it, used it 3 or 4 times, and then bought new foundation and tested those out. So, and this might be a little dark on me. This feels a lot lighter than I remember it feeling. I thought this was a thicker consistency. I'm going to take my Morphe M439 to buff this out. Okay, so this is light medium coverage. I feel with that first layer, I still see my redness coming through over here. I think I have to use a lot of this product because I still see redness on my cheeks, right here by my nose. And I've been trying to use less foundation because of how cakey it's been looking on me. So that's another thing too, when you like use a product or you test products out a lot. I feel like I test out products pretty regularly. It makes it hard because your skin changes. My skin changes, I feel like so much right now that it makes it hard. Like this product might have worked amazingly for when I had oily skin, but it might look horrible on my dry skin. So it's good to kind of cycle through your products and reuse stuff you haven't used in a while, because if it's not working on your skin right now, maybe you could donate it or give it to someone that it will work for. Okay, that second layer added pretty good coverage. I would say medium high coverage right now. It's not covering everything, but it's covering a lot, and I'm actually surprised. I think this is a pretty good shade match. I think it looks darker in the bottle. Maybe not. I don't know why I thought it was gonna be too dark. So for concealer today, I'm gonna go in with the Catrice Liquid Camouflage High Coverage Concealer. This is a concealer I always go back to. It is so inexpensive. It is one of my favorite concealers. It's not a full coverage concealer. If you have more problem areas like I do right under my eyes, I have dark bags and wrinkles and everything like that. So if I do feel like I need a little extra coverage, I will add a dot of Tarte Shape Tape, or I will add a dot of the Makeup Revolution Conceal and Define Concealer, or just any concealer with a little more coverage. Just dot that right on the inner corner and focus it mainly where I need it. But it works really good if you're not needing a ton of coverage. It just looks really good on the skin. And I am just using my Morphe sponge to blend this out. I think it's such a good concealer. And it's like $5 or something around there. It's a good one. Okay, so for powders, I thought I would mix 2 powders today and see how I like them. So I picked up the Laura Mercier translucent, what is this, Universal Visible Loose Setting Powder, and then the Too Faced Peach Perfect Mattifying Setting Powder. I just used this last time when I did a random roundup, I'm pretty sure, but I want to mix a little bit of these and see how they work under my eyes. Taking this Luxie 522 tapered highlighting brush, this is one of my favorites for setting under my eyes. I'm just gonna go back in and make sure any of the creases are tapped out as much as they can be. And I'm just gonna dip into both powders. Actually, I'm just gonna mix a little bit. So I just dumped a little bit of both of the powders into one of the caps and mixed it. And I am just going in to set right under the eyes. I mix foundation and I'll mix lipsticks and blushes and highlighters, but I've never mixed like powder for my face. I don't know why. That's just one thing I've never been like, oh, let me mix this, probably because it's messy. But I was just kind of curious. I like the way both of these work, so I was curious to see how they would work together. So then I'm gonna just highlight the rest of my face and set it with that same powder mixture. Okay, so then I just took my Morphe E41 and set the rest of my face. I'm gonna go ahead and spray my face with MAC Fix Plus. I feel like I needed moisture back into my skin. The creases in my under eyes are just so unavoidable, it drives me nuts. My forehead looks a little bit heavy. I probably shouldn't have put more foundation on it, but my skin, after I sprayed that MAC Fix Plus, my skin looks really nice on the lower half. For contour, I'm going to go in with the Kat Von D Shade and Light contour palette. I kind of got stuck on using that Holidays, what is it? The Smashbox Holidays palette, because that one just worked so good for me. That contour shade was like perfect. But I'm going to pick up this shade right here in the palette on this Luxie 680 Pro Precision Face Brush. I'm gonna try to use this pointed blush brush from Moda Pro. I think it's too big for blush, but I think I might like it for bronzer. I also went through my brushes and picked out and brought to the front brushes that I used to really like that I haven't used in forever. I'm just like in a phase right now where I feel like I need to go through everything and retry it and see how I like it and just get rid of stuff. So that's what I'm doing, but I go a little harsh on my contour and then I use the bronzer to kind of blend it out. I'm going to use the Physicians Formula Butter Bronzer because, believe it or not, I haven't used this in weeks since I've been testing out a couple different bronzers. So I thought I'd go back to a little old reliable. I'm going to use the Butter Bronzer to contour my nose. For blush today, I'm going to go into the Tarte Blush Bliss palette. I haven't used these since I bought my LA Girl blushes because those are just my favorite. I think I'm going to go in with Breathtaking right here on this Luxie 522 brush. This is supposed to be a highlighter brush, and personally, I like it for blush and setting under the eyes. For highlighter, I'm going to go into the Anastasia Amrezy highlighter. for lipstick, I'm going to go in with the Lorac Highly Pigmented Lipstick in Optimist. This is more of a pinky nude. And then over the top of that, I'm going to put the Tarte Lip Paint in Insta Famous. Oh, I love that combo. That is so pretty. Okay guys, so I'm gonna go finish up this eye look and I will be right back. Okay guys, so I just finished up this eye look. If you do want to see this video, I will link it down below so you can check it out. It is look number 9 in my 10 looks using 1 palette series. I actually love how my makeup turned out today. I have been getting lucky with all these random products I've been pulling out. My skin is different than it has been. It is changing. It has changed from where it was a year ago when I bought a lot of these products, so it's interesting to see how they work out now. The foundation is newer. It is. I've had it for a couple of months. I might have had it for longer than that. I'm not 100% sure. I used it multiple times when I first got it, put it away, bought new foundations because that's what I do. That's who I am as a person. So I tested new foundations out and that one just kind of got pushed to the back of the drawer. I haven't tested it in forever, but it is beautiful. It is really pretty. It's not full coverage. It is very natural. It just looks really pretty on the skin. There's like a piece of mascara, like a chunk, whatever. I just think it looks very beautiful on the skin. It's very lightweight. I like barely feel anything on my face today. I don't know if it's the combination of all of them, but everything is very lightweight on my skin. I almost don't feel like I have makeup on, minus the lip gloss, because that's very much there and I can feel it. So I love the foundation. I like the primer combo. I think my pores are really filled. I liked going in with the Smashbox water first and then the Urban Decay. That used to be my favorite combo. I did that combo all the time, forever. I'm just trying to look. The powder combo I actually think looks really good. I think it helped fill the rest of my pores. I think it helped kind of blur my under eyes because I do have very problematic under eyes. I have dark circles, I have creasing, I have weird textured bumps under my eyes, so it's not a fun time under there, and if I can mask most of those problems, I'm all for that. So I liked that combo. That was a good combo. I like the contour. I've never had an issue with that contour palette. The blush is beautiful. Those are my favorites, right along the LA Girl Just Blushing blushes. Those are my top favorite, especially for the price point. Those are probably my top favorite. The highlighter is beautiful. I just haven't used it in a while. I've really been loving the Makeup Revolution Soph X highlighter palette. I think that one's gorgeous. But yeah, everything looks good. I love the lip combo. I think it's really pretty. Like, I'm digging this lip combo. I'm probably going to use it a lot more. So those are all of my thoughts on this random roundup. So if you guys have any products you want me to come back to, retest out, try out again, see how it works, leave it in a comment down below and I'll be sure to check it out. I have tons of products that I need to go through. There will be more of these videos coming up. Let me know if you like this video idea. I love it because it forces me to go through my makeup and maybe get rid of stuff that I'm not using, even though I thought I would use it more. Test out products that used to work for me that don't work for me anymore and I can get rid of. Just going through my makeup. I love that idea. So make sure to give this video a thumbs up if you like it. Don't forget to subscribe and turn on the post notification bell so you don't miss any new videos. I upload 3 every week. Thank you so much for watching and I'll catch you in my next video.